Hey, what's up guys, this is Neeraj from Tech Unbox and welcome to another video. Today I have a OnePlus 7 with me which I bought recently, and in this video we are going to unbox this device and we will see what else do we get inside the box, and we will also be giving you the impressions of the device. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight to the video. Starting with the unboxing first, so here we have the box of the OnePlus 7. So the box is very much similar to the previous OnePlus boxes. Opening it up, we got another box which has a OnePlus logo on it. Inside that we got a transparent case, and this case actually looks very good and you can easily show the looks of your device because of the transparency of the case. And we got a leaflet which contains a SIM ejector tool, a pamphlet which acts as a quick start guide for the phone. We got a user manual and some other paperwork. And lastly, we have a OnePlus sticker which you need if you wanted to do free advertisement for the company. Moving on, we got our device which is completely wrapped in the plastic. For the time being, let's keep it to the side and let's take a look at the other things inside the box. So below the device, we got a letter from OnePlus which I'm not going to read. And below that we got a big fat looking OnePlus charger which is a 20-watt charger, and it is very good than the 5-watt charger which Apple gives with the iPhones. The last thing inside the box is a USB Type-C cable which is very durable. If you have used any OnePlus device in the past, then you might already know that these cables are very durable and last for a very longer period of time. OnePlus have not included any 3.5mm dongle, which is kind of sad as this device didn't come with a headphone jack. So moving on towards the actual device, first of all let's remove this plastic from the device. If I speak about the first impressions of the device, so the moment when you pick up the phone, you will instantly feel the premiumness of the device. The actual device is very good with the glass finish on both the front as well as back side, which are held together with a metal frame. Due to the rounded design, this device looks very slim and it is very comfortable to hold. So overall, I love the design of the phone, which is very much similar to the OnePlus 6T except some minor changes. Moving towards a physical overview of the phone, so on the front we got a 6.41 inch Full HD plus 2340 by 1080 pixels resolution screen with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The AMOLED panel has been sourced from Samsung and supports DCI P3 and sRGB color gamut. The screen is topped with 2.5D Gorilla Glass 6 for added protection against drops or marks from daily wear and tear. The phones are additionally shipped with a pre-applied screen guard. Unlike the Pro variant, OnePlus 7 has a butter drop notch on the front. While many won't consider that to be an upgrade, it does its part in offering the best viewing experience possible. Of course, there is OnePlus 7 Pro with a notchless curved screen, but then there is a premium that comes along with those upgrades. The optical fingerprint sensor embedded into the display has been upgraded to a 3-element lens and a larger sensor. This results in up to 38% faster unlock speed over the 6T, and it shows in our usage as well. The 16-megapixel selfie camera uses Sony IMX471 sensor backed by EIS and an f2.0 aperture. The earpiece of the phone also acts as a speaker to give you the stereo sound, which I will be checking in the future videos. Coming towards the back side of the device, so we got a big camera bump which contains dual rear camera setup and a flash. Below that we got a OnePlus logo and its branding. The back of the phone is tapered toward the edges that makes for a snuggly grip. Then again, the glass is something that makes it prone to the fingerprints. So if you plan to use a OnePlus 7 without a cover, it's going to be a tough road ahead for you keeping that gorgeous back smudge free. Speaking particularly about the camera, so the primary 48-megapixel camera uses a 1/2-inch Sony IMX586 sensor, which is a 6-element lens giving it an f1.7 aperture. There is a secondary 5-megapixel camera for the depth of field effect. For some, this is supported by optical image stabilization and electronical image stabilization. When it comes to the performance and the software side of the things, so it comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 and it is the fastest processor in the world. This chipset has been fabricated on a 7nm architecture process, and it is 45% faster than a previous generation while consuming 20% less power. It also brings in 4th generation AI engine which assists while creating photographs and playing games. The Adreno 640 GPU is tasked with handling the graphic side of the things, and it is 20% faster than the 6T. The device comes with a 6 or 8 GB of RAM, and this time the storage is also shifted from UFS 2.1 to UFS 3.0. When all these specs combine together with the Oxygen OS, the phone really flies and it is one of the fastest Android phone of 2019. The day-to-day tasks are very super fast and slick. Talking about the Oxygen OS in general, so the phone comes with the Oxygen OS 9 based on Android Pie. The overall Android experience is very close to the stock Android with few meaningful tweaks which makes experience really great. OnePlus 7 has the same 3700 mAh battery like the one found on the 6T. It supports 20W fast charging and comes with a dash charger adapter in the box. So overall, this is a really great phone for the price of 33,000. We are getting very good design, a great display and the fastest performance. The cameras are also very nice. So guys, that's pretty much it for this unboxing and the impressions video. I will be making few more videos on the OnePlus 7. So stay tuned for that, and if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.